I'm Dr. Chetna Dharmapalaya. I'm a consultant rheumatologist at Aster CMI Hospital in Hebbal. Headaches are a very common symptom. So most headaches are very self-limiting and we all deal with it ourselves with many self-remedies, paracetamol, etc. Not all headaches are a big headache, but some are a headache. And for that you need to see a neurologist. Early diagnosis is required. It could be migraine or something more sinister. So there's another condition called giant cell arteritis which can cause vision-threatening side effects. So giant cell arteritis or temporal arteritis is a condition which usually affects the elderly population. So it is more common in people who are 60, 65 years and older. It's a bit more common in women, like most autoimmune conditions are. So giant cell arteritis is an autoimmune condition, which means our own immune system can become a little haywire and start affecting our own blood vessels. So in temporal arteritis, it affects an artery which runs here right over the ear. It's called temporal artery, and it usually supplies blood to the back of the ear. And the symptoms that a person with giant cell arteritis could be headache on one side of the head, usually in the temple area or on top of that. If you touch the scalp on that area, it will hurt more. The patient could also have pain in the jaw. So it hurts when they chew food. So hard food is nearly impossible for them to eat. Some people also develop pain in the tongue and the teeth on that side. Rarely it could affect both the sides as well. Not all patients will have visual loss, but if this condition is not picked up early and treated early, the vision could get affected and they can actually go blind. So they may present with symptoms on one side, poor vision on that eye, and eventually if not treated, it could affect both the eyes. Hence, it's an emergency. It's a rheumatological emergency. So if you have such symptoms, then you seek help very early, the same day even, as soon as you're aware that this could be something more sinister than a regular headache. Some people, apart from headache, could also have other symptoms like proximal pain, pain in the neck, shoulder area, lower back and the hips. So this is something called polymyalgia rheumatica, which goes hand in hand with this condition called temporal arteritis. How do we diagnose it? The diagnosis is mostly clinical, that is by listening to your story. One-sided headache, it hurts to touch. And if you're in the right age group of temporal arteritis, then we do certain blood tests called inflammatory markers, ESR and CRP. If they are high, then even more suspicious of giant cell arteritis. If in doubt, we may do an MRI of the brain to make sure it's no other cause like a stroke, for example. If the diagnosis is in doubt, and also to always confirm that this is giant cell arteritis, we can do a biopsy of the temporal artery. Once the diagnosis is confirmed, we have to immediately start the patient on steroids. For the first 3 days, we prefer giving intravenous form of steroids, and then it could be tapered down slowly in oral tablet form. Remember, these patients, like I said, are elderly, so we can't give them steroids for a very long time on its own. So we usually combine it with other immunomodulatory drugs so that steroids could be tapered and stopped quickly. The whole treatment for giant cell arteritis goes on for a minimum of 2 to 3 years. If abruptly stopped, again the inflammation could come back and it could affect the vision. So from time to time, we have seen patients who can actually lose sight because of this condition. So do not ignore a headache that lasts long. If it's associated with fever, weight loss, or other symptoms that I mentioned, please seek help early. Thank you.